After years of tireless campaigning, legal battles, and public outrage, the WASPI, Women Against State Pension Inequality, movement has just scored a major victory. For decades, thousands of women born in the 1950s were left blindsided by sudden changes to their state pension age, forcing many into financial hardship. Now, a breakthrough has sparked hope that justice might finally be on the horizon. In this video, we'll break down exactly what this win means for WASPI women, the latest updates from the courts and government, and whether this could lead to long-awaited compensation. Stay tuned until the end for all the crucial details, and if you care about fairness and pension rights, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any updates. The WASPI campaign was born out of frustration and a sense of injustice. Women born in the 1950s were informed that their state pension age would be raised significantly, often without sufficient notice. Many of these women had made plans based on the pension age they were originally promised, only to find those plans uprooted by changes in government policy. For many, this meant years of additional work or financial insecurity. It's a situation that has left countless women feeling marginalized and unheard in a society that often overlooks their struggles. Recently, however, there have been significant developments in the WASPI campaign that have sparked renewed hope among its supporters. The ongoing legal battles, advocacy efforts, and increasing public awareness are pushing the issue into the spotlight. A recent High Court ruling favored the WASPI women, stating that the government had acted unlawfully in how it communicated these changes. This landmark decision has sent ripples through the legal and political landscape, raising questions about the government's responsibility to its citizens. Could this be the turning point that these women have been fighting for? As we delve deeper into the implications of this ruling, it's essential to recognize the journey that brought us here. For years, WASPI women have faced ridicule and skepticism. Critics often dismissed their concerns, arguing that they should have seen the changes coming or that they were simply not paying attention. But for many women, this was not a matter of negligence. It was about trusting a system that had consistently promised them security in their later years. The emotional toll of this battle is immense, and the psychological impact of feeling betrayed by the government cannot be overstated. The recent court ruling has given the WASPI women a glimmer of hope, but it also raises questions about the future. With the ruling in their favor, many are now asking, what does justice look like for these women? Financial compensation is one avenue that has been suggested, but it is not the only one. Some women are calling for a complete reversal of the pension age changes, while others are advocating for a more nuanced approach that considers individual circumstances. The debate is ongoing, and it is clear that there is no one-size-fits-all solution. The government, on the other hand, is now faced with a dilemma. How do they respond to a ruling that challenges their previous decisions and policies? The implications of this case extend beyond just the WASPI women. They touch on broader questions of social justice and government accountability. Will the government be willing to acknowledge its mistakes and take responsibility for the consequences of its actions? Or will it dig in its heels, potentially leading to further legal battles and public outcry? Public support for the WASPI campaign has been growing, and this is a crucial element in the pursuit of justice. As more people become aware of the struggles faced by these women, the pressure on the government to address their concerns will increase. Social media campaigns, petitions, and grassroots activism have played a significant role in amplifying their voices. The question now is, how can this momentum be maintained? It is essential for supporters to stay engaged, whether through online activism, attending rallies, or simply having conversations with friends and family about the issue. Every voice counts, and collective action can make a difference. Another vital aspect of this ongoing battle is the role of the media. Coverage of the WASPI campaign has evolved, with more outlets recognizing the significance of the issue and the voices of the women involved. However, the challenge remains to keep the conversation alive and ensure that it does not fade into the background. Investigative journalism, personal stories, and expert opinions are all crucial in shining a light on the injustices faced by WASPI women. The media has the power to influence public opinion and keep pressure on the government, thus, it is imperative that they continue to report on this issue comprehensively. As we consider the future, it is also essential to reflect on the lessons learned from this battle. The WASPI campaign has highlighted the importance of transparency and communication in government policies. When changes are made that significantly impact people's lives, especially regarding something as crucial as pensions, it is the government's responsibility to ensure that citizens are informed and prepared. This case has the potential to reshape how policies are communicated in the future, setting a precedent for accountability and fairness. In the realm of social justice, the WASPI campaign serves as a reminder of the power of resilience and determination. The women involved have shown incredible strength in the face of adversity, and their fight is not just for themselves but for future generations. They are advocating for a system that treats all citizens fairly, regardless of gender or age. This battle is about more than just pensions, it is about dignity, respect, and the right to a secure future. As we wrap up this discussion, it is crucial to remember that the fight for justice is far from over. The recent ruling is a significant step forward, but it is just one part of a larger journey. The WASPI women have shown that they will not be silenced, and their voices will continue to resonate until they receive the justice they deserve. So, what can we do to support them? First and foremost, we can educate ourselves and others about the issue. Knowledge is power, and understanding the complexities of the WASPI situation will enable us to advocate more effectively. Additionally, engaging with local representatives and pushing for policy changes can make a difference. Writing letters, attending town hall meetings, and participating in community discussions are all ways to amplify the message of the WASPI campaign. By holding our leaders accountable, we can ensure that their voices are heard and that their struggles are recognized. Finally, let us not forget the importance of compassion and solidarity. The WASPI women are not just statistics, they are real people with real stories and real struggles. By sharing their experiences and standing alongside them, we can foster a culture of empathy and understanding that transcends politics. In conclusion, the WASPI women have fought a long and arduous battle for justice, and the recent High Court ruling has opened the door to a brighter future. Their resilience serves as an inspiration to us all, reminding us of the importance of standing up for what is right. As we look ahead, let us continue to support these women in their quest for justice and ensure that their voices are not just heard but amplified. Together, we can work towards a future where every citizen is treated with the respect and dignity they deserve. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates on this and other vital social issues, and join the conversation. Your voice matters.